Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter here to talk to you a little bit about correlation. So correlation is simply discussing the relationship between the two data that you're graphing, all right? Correlations can be positive or negative. So a positive correlation is when you graph your data and they seem to be forming a positive slope, right? If you think about a line, I'll use a nice highlight. If you think about a line, a best fit going through these points right here, the slope of that line would be positive, okay? And a negative correlation would be when the points seem to be forming some kind of negative slope. So if I were to try to draw a line of best fit here, as you can see, the line has a negative slope. Correlations can also be strong or weak. So we'll use positive as our example. So let's consider positive correlations. So a strong positive correlation is forming a positive slope, but the data is very, very close together. It is very close to forming a straight line. Whereas a weaker correlation is when the data is a little more scattered, but it still seems to be forming a positive slope. Okay? Last example, sometimes two data are simply not related to each other. They have no correlation at all. And that just looks like a random sampling of points. The data doesn't seem to be forming a positive slope or a negative slope. Just a collection of garbage. All right, that just means the data is not related. All right?